To create the fishbone stitch, bring your needle up at the topmost point of your leaf. Create one long stitch length down the center of the leaf and push your needle back down into the fabric about a third of the way down the leaf pattern. Bring your needle back up through the fabric on the right and slightly lower down from the beginning of your first stitch. You will make another long stitch like you did previously, but you want to skew your ending point so it goes a little lower than the first stitch and finishes slightly across the center line. Now you will bring your needle up on the left side and slightly lower down from the beginning of your first stitch again, and complete the same process on this opposite side. You will continue this process all the way down the pattern line. When you bring your needle up, make sure it is following the curve of your pattern line, and when you bring it back down, make sure it crosses over your prior stitch at the ending point. When complete, you should have a completed leaf with a center seam down the middle from your crossing stitches. I hope this helps. Please like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.